Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pooja and this video is about showing step-by-step process for how to apply for provisional driving license in UK as a non-British passport holder. Provisional license allow you to learn your driving to get a permanent UK license. Secondly, it is the same as your ID card, so you don't need to carry your BRP everywhere. Also, one more important thing, if you are an Indian and having an Indian driving license with you, so it is valid for 1 year from the date you have landed in UK. Let's get started. The link, please click on the link that is given in the description box and you will be landing on this page. You just need to click next on this. Here you have to provide your personal details, put your title, your phoneme, your surname, your gender, your date of birth, and your country of birth. Click next. Put your postcode where you are staying right now. Select the address. For how many days you are staying here, just put the details. You need to put your last 3-year details. So when you click next, here you get an option for add address to, where other way to enter address as a non-GP address, as I'm an Indian. So I will just click this and I will select my country. And for how much period you were there staying, you just need to click and write. When you click next, you don't need to put your telephone number, just put your birth surname, your mother's maiden name and your place of birth. Put your national insurance number that is present at the back of your BRP card. Retype it so that you don't make any mistake. This is for UK passport number, which is not valid for us. Have you lived in another country? Yes. Are you currently disqualified from driving? No. When you click next, which country you have lived for last 12 months? Which country you have lived in last 12 months? India. And the day when you landed here, you just need to put the date and your month and year. This is for your eyesight details. Click appropriate, what is applicable to you. If you're having any fitness to drive problem, medical condition, just click on this tick boxes. Click on this confirmation box. There is a link given here. The second option, that I would like to complete my DVLA driving license application first. Click on this, put your email address over here, confirm your email address. And the next page will be your payment page where you need to pay £34 and a confirmation link will be sent to your email address. After 7 days, you will receive a physical form along with a blank envelope at your address. Read this form fully so that you are not making any mistakes. And this first section is of proof of identity, and in that part A is for UK passport holders, so that is not applicable for us. Part B is for others. So if you are having a BRP card, you just need to select BRP card option and you need to put your BRP reference number, which is present on top right corner of your BRP. In section 2, it is not required if you are sending BRP card. Section 3 is the current date on which you will be sending this to post, and a signature is required in the green box. Paste your picture. Just peel off the sticker and paste your passport size photograph over there. And when you are ready, take your form, your original BRP card and the pre-address envelope to the nearest post office. After going to the post office, you need to ask for a blank envelope on which you need to put your address and enclose that envelope along with your original one. They will give you 2 receipts. One is for sending the BRP and the second one to get back your BRP, and it will cost approximately £14. Within a period of 7 days, you will receive your BRP first at your home address on the next day you will receive the provisional driving license. So that is the simple process of getting a provisional driving license within a period of 15 days. Hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel for more such helpful videos. Thank you.